Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Tendency. Today, we're checking out the Spopal Portable Shower for camping, a game changer for outdoor cleanliness and convenience. If you're looking for the best portable shower for your adventures, stick around. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and purchase link in the description below. Spopal has really packed a punch into this compact design. The standout feature? A long-lasting 6,000 mAh rechargeable camping shower battery that gives you 120 to 150 minutes of continuous use. Charging is a breeze with the Type-C port. Use your phone charger, power bank, or car USB. That waterproof silicone cover is a thoughtful touch for durability. I love the upgraded LED display. It clearly shows the battery percentage and even the water temperature, 32 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, taking the guesswork out of both power and safety. This rechargeable camping shower operates surprisingly quietly. Plus, you get adjustable high and low water output for conservation, and the pump sits securely in your water source. The shower head offers 4 practical spray modes, making it versatile for everything from a gentle rinse to a more thorough wash. The inclusion of a filtered shower head with a PP element is a big plus, helping to remove impurities from your water, great for sensitive skin after a long day. This isn't just a portable shower for camping. It's also perfect for hiking, washing pets, cleaning the car, or even watering plants. It's a truly versatile camping shower kit, ideal for van life or rinsing off after surfing. Lightweight and easy to carry in its included mesh bag, this kit is designed for portability. It's a fantastic companion for beach trips and all your outdoor needs. Now, being honest, a few users have reported potential pump issues with prolonged use or if not fully submerged before turning on. Also, while the pressure is generally good, it can use water quickly on higher settings, so be mindful of your water source. Conclude with your overall thoughts and call T-Pros. Long-lasting battery, intelligent LED display, quiet operation, adjustable spray modes, filtered water, excellent portability, and versatile use for outdoor activities, pets, and even car washing. Many find it to be a top portable shower and good value. Cons: potential for pump issues if not used correctly, and can consume water quickly. Overall, the Spopal Portable Shower for camping is a fantastic and convenient solution for staying clean on the go. Its smart features and versatility make it a strong contender for the best portable shower in its class. Just remember to use it correctly to ensure longevity. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. Links to purchase are below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear reviews.